OET 2.0 Day 1 Orientation, Edu India 6 batch. We will be getting into the basics, but then it's very, very important. And if you have already attempted the exam, you will know why you haven't scored good in your exam. Okay, EduSkills benchmarks study plan 6. Participants are beginners. We presume they are beginners. Focus is step-by-step learning. As I said, before you write one letter, you will have to go through 21 steps before you start your first letter. So patience is required there, and you cannot hurry up. If you have taken your exam date, definitely you can go to some platforms where they give you what you call exam batch. Then they might teach you, because I haven't learned anything of that sort where I can give you within a day or 2 days. I can give you impart the skill to you. Only suggestion I will have is to keep all your material under your pillow before you sleep, the previous day of the exam. Then as you get up, burn all those materials, make into ashes, and mix with a liter of what you call a cup of milk and drink. That's the only solution I can suggest. Otherwise, I don't know how you can impart skills within a week or so. Then duration, 5 months minimum. Task, daily. You will have daily tasks, but not a big task. We will not ask you to do one reading, one listening. If it is reading, we will ask you maximum to do one paragraph or one part A, or maximum at the later stage part B. That's all. Requirement, daily task completion is a requirement. Assessment, weekly based on self-assessment form. You must submit this self-assessment form, which we will explain every week at the end of the week. And be an active member of EduSkills Telegram group means what? Okay. One thing, daily task. You'll be doing the daily task. The second thing, daily reading challenge. A small reading challenge will be presented in the main platform. You have to respond to that. You have to do that daily. Daily listening challenge. That's also very small audio from very like medical journals, authentic resources. That's also a very small segment. You have to do that challenge. And daily poll, 1 or 2 or 3 polls maximum will be there. You have to just click the answers and you understand what is synonym and other things you can write down as well. And mentors hour, 12 to 1 is the mentors hour. You have to post all your concerns so that admins will bring to my notice. I'll directly get into your concerns. So you'll be answered on that. Okay. And daily 8:30 p.m. discussions you have to practice that will discuss about the day's task. So that's very important. Then daily feedback and learning experience that already I have explained, and adherence and response to instructions. Whenever me or the admins post any notice or instruction, definitely you are supposed to respond to that. That's a must. And whenever I post something, the platform is freezed for 60 minutes. You are not supposed to immediately post something else. Usually I don't post, admins post. If I post something urgent, or if I post a new video, at least 30 minutes, you should not post something just below that. Okay. And empower each other. That is the behavior or the nature of an active member of EduSkills. That is the style of our functioning. Empower each other is the style of functioning, and signature is smile. So keep smiling and keep empowering each other. We will empower you.